What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the channel. You know it, we're making another video. So today I got my mom's car up here. As you can tell, we've already got it on the stands, and this is what we're going to be fixing. Is this bumper started pulling off of here, and so she's got some new parts and we're going to put those in. It's a little toasty outside. Got the Corvette out there. Got the Cars and Coffee shirt, Arctic Vette hat. If you want one, hit me up. Anyhow, let's get to it. I don't know what tools we're gonna need yet, but I'll tell you as we figure it out. I figured out how these go in, and this is actually the passenger side, and so the top up here is the front of the car, and this goes into the wheel well. So what we do is under here on the driver's side is what we're looking at right now. A pin will go in there, in here, and in here, and then back on the little tow hook, one will go right there. Then what will happen is we will bend that top part up, and this pin will go in, another pin will go in there, and all the way up top here too. Hopefully you guys can see all those. So that is how that'll work, and I'm gonna try my best to show you guys what that looks like, but it's kind of tight under here. So we're gonna bend this piece up and see how it just slides in like so. Then we got to get the screws out, and then we can pin all this stuff in here together. We're just using these little push pins. Alright, so we got the passenger side here, and what you have to do is you got to bend this piece up like so, and I'll show you right where it goes. So let's get under the car, and over here on the passenger side, see this hook here in the middle, we put the thin piece of the cover on right here. You line up those holes, and then this piece by the wheel you fold up, and it folds right up there. And I know it's kind of hard to see, but then it's in there nice and secure. So now we're gonna put some of these pins. All right, guys, well, I got the plastics put in on my mom's car and put those little pins in. Everything's looking good now. She does have another piece that she wants me to try and put in. I'm gonna try and put that in a later time, and I think she might have to get some more of those little pins. They're just like little body push pin things. Anyhow, I do have a new t-shirt coming out. I don't have one to show you, but I can insert a picture here at the end. And what it is it's going to be black with the Arctic Vette emblem on the front, and the old one on the back that says Arctic Vette with the car, kind of like my front piece up here. Let me get out and show you that real quick. And if you guys would like one of those, I'm going to be putting in orders every 15th of every month. So it's like this, except for the car goes all the way over, similar to my Cars and Coffee logo. It just says Arctic Vette. Anyhow, if you guys want some merch, I got hats, I got shirts, Cars and Coffee shirts. I'm working on those. My Arctic Vette shirt's the new one coming out. I'm super excited about it, and I hope that you all have a great night. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Checking my mail, because it's been a hot minute since I've done that. Anyhow, I appreciate it. Have a great night. We'll catch you guys in the next video.